Hi everyone, Agnes here. Welcome to your guided meditation for more money manifestations. The aim of this meditation is to help you improve your feelings about money so that you can manifest more of it into your life. More money usually means greater freedom. So this meditation will help you tune into the frequency to achieve that freedom and abundance. Before we begin the meditation, let's take a few moments to just focus on our breathing to help our mind and body relax. Now close your eyes. I recommend that you sit in a comfortable upright posture with your palms facing up and either placed on your knees if you are sitting cross-legged or on the ground on either side of you. Having our palms up is a signal to the universe. We trust in it and we are ready to receive. We will inhale for 4, hold for 2, and exhale for 4. Let's begin. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now picture a white backdrop in front of you. Against this white backdrop, I want you to think of how money, or the lack of it, is present in your life. This can include your savings, wages, debts, loans, and credit cards. Now picture all the categories that are relevant to you in a lineup. Each category can be represented by a word or a little visual representation, whichever you prefer. Now, I want you to say to those money categories, I'm sorry I have doubted and worried about you. I'm sorry I have doubted and worried about you. I'm sorry I have doubted and worried about you. Beside you, a small box has appeared. You pick up the box and put all the money categories which apply to you, along with your concerns and doubts, into the small box, and you close the lid. Then, a little puffy cloud descends from above and hovers in front of you. You place the filled box on the little cloud and gently blow it away with an exhale. The cloud drifts off and disappears into the distance. Now we're going to hop into a second scene. Picture a room in your house where you enjoy spending time. Imagine it being filled with piles of cash in the highest denomination in your currency, from floor to ceiling. You reach out, take 1 wad of cash, and hold it in your hands. To your delight, the wad you have taken from the room is immediately replenished. Now I want you to say to that money in the room before you, I know you are always working for me. I know that you always flow freely to me. I trust that you come abundantly to me in expected and unexpected ways. I trust there is more than enough of you for us all. Now I want you to picture a ray of sparkling golden light emanating from your heart. The ray of light stretches out towards the money before you and envelops it. This golden light helps you feel happy, uplifted, and reassured. You naturally radiate these feelings towards the money. You know that this money is always there for you, and it has you feeling free and abundant. You have trusted in the divine timing of your life and are being rewarded with tremendous abundance. We will now finish this meditation with some deep breaths. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. 1, 2. And exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for today, that is enough. Happy money manifesting, everyone. And may the money start flowing to you now. May you have more money than anyone you know. Thank you to Jessica T for this beautiful script. Lots of love.